Can I be your friend, please? Sure, let's have a race.
I'll overtake you.
Big jobs become easy when you take one step at a time.
Really? Then I'll carry the little sticks.
Perfect! Every small helper makes a big difference.
Here's how to create AI cartoons like these from scratch, even without having any idea about AI animation. Have you watched all those cute cartoons and you have been wondering how they are being made? Well, you found my channel. I'm going to teach you how to create AI cartoons like these from start to finish. Hey my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have another amazing tutorial today. Do well to like, share and subscribe. Let's dive into it. When creating AI cartoons like this, there are 4 steps we have to follow. Now let's start with the first step, which is script generation. Your story should be interesting, simple and relatable. You first of all go to ChatGPT. This is the prompt you will give ChatGPT. You are an expert children's cartoon writer. Write a 2-minute animated cartoon story using talking animals as the main character. Requirement: use simple English that the children can understand. Make the story simple, relatable and emotional. Include a strong lesson at the end. The story should feel like a real animated movie. Make the characters memorable and lovable. Use humor where appropriate. Avoid violence, politics and adult themes. Main character: Benny the rabbit. Supporting character: Rocky the bear, then Milo the fox. Story theme: obedience. Story setting: a beautiful forest village where beautiful animals live together. There should always be a lesson. You end it with that. Then you send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will write the whole script for you. All you need to do is to edit and take away the one you don't like. Now we head over to the next step, which is image generation. You are creating your images, the images that you use for the cartoon. And this is what you tell ChatGPT, because ChatGPT will have to create your prompts for you. Bear in mind that consistency is very important when it comes to image generation. You want Benny to look the same way throughout the movie. You want the rest characters to look the same from the beginning to the end. You go to ChatGPT and this is what you write. Create a detailed character sheet for Benny the rabbit. And after that, you go ahead to write how you want Benny the rabbit to look like. So this is how I want Benny the rabbit to look like. Young rabbit, white and brown fur, blue shirt, brown shorts, big expressive eyes, friendly smile, cute 3D animated movie style. Create front view, side view, back view, happy expression, sad expression, surprised expression, his full body, white background. You repeat the same thing for each character. Still on ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT, based on the story, that is the story that he created for you, create a separate image prompt for every scene. Include environment, character appearance, facial expression, body language, camera angle, lighting, animation style. Use high quality 3D animated movie Pixar inspired style. Create talking animals and cinematic lighting, ultra detailed consistent character. You can send this to ChatGPT to create your image. If you don't want ChatGPT to create your image for you, you can either send it to Flow AI, Grok or even VO3. VO3 is free. In case you don't want to spend money creating videos, you can use that one to create your image and even video. But now we are using Grok. Now we have our images. We are heading into the next step, which is video generation. You can use Flow AI, Grok, and several other apps that generate videos. You can even use VO3, but today we are going to use Grok. Your video generator does not know your characters by their names, and you don't want Benny the rabbit to be talking when Rocky the bear is meant to be talking. So this is what you are going to tell ChatGPT to generate for you. You are an expert AI animation director. I have a cartoon movie with scenes, descriptions and dialogue. For every scene, create a professional image to video animation prompts. This is what ChatGPT will create for you. Important: do not refer to characters only by name. Always include the full visual description of each character. Example: Benny the bear, young rabbit with white and light brown fur, blue shirt, brown shorts. Rocky the bear, large brown eyes, green vest, gentle eyes, friendly smile. For every dialogue scene, include the dialogue line, the emotions behind the dialogue, the mouth movement, the facial expression, the eyes movement, head movement, hand gestures. Now ChatGPT will write the whole prompt. So when you send it to your video generator, it will be able to generate those videos for you. Benny will not be talking when the fox is supposed to be talking. ChatGPT will clearly describe who Benny is, the rabbit is, the fox is, to your video generator. So your video generator will be able to understand everything and will create your video. Now let's go into creation of the video. Copy the prompt that ChatGPT sends to you. Yes, the prompt describing who and who is to talk. You copy the prompt, copy the dialogue, carry your picture that you have already generated and send it like this, and boom, this is your video. And you do that for every scene. Make sure you put your watermark on your video and make sure it's moving like this. If not, someone can easily steal it and cover your watermark and post it. Even if they post your video on their page, your watermark will be showing clearly. Tell me that you're going to try this and start your YouTube channel today. Subscribe if you want to be seeing content like this, because we do not gatekeep here.